So, living outside for so long, my family has, naturally drawn towards sustainability, nature, and healthy living. To be honest, when I started with this, I think they were the only ones. I never heard of anybody doing a terrace gardening or, maintaining it weekly and all that. So that was the whole point. So what we do now is like, on a weekend, I kind of come and check my garden out, and if there is any harvesting needs to be done, I do. Otherwise, it's very bare minimum, is expected out of us. We only water the plants. Other than that, Happy Garden maintenance team takes care of all the. Oh, definitely. Especially you can see it in the greens that we eat, the tomatoes and a lot of vegetables. It's fresh. I mean, I have about 10 crates now, so I think it kind of helps me to sustain for about 20 days. Overall experience has been excellent. With Happy Gardens, on their maintenance team. Other than that, as I said, we know what's going into it, right? It's on top of my terrace, and I know what kind of organic, medicines are going into it, and I know it's safe too. It's safe and healthy way. So that was, as I said, it's very reassuring. No, 100%. I would recommend Happy Gardens to. I have been recommending Happy Gardens to all my friends. I mean, as I said, it's a very hands-free experience. I've had similar experiences also. Whenever we have a guest at home, the tour isn't complete without showing them my, terrace garden. So they're very impressed. You can see it in the greens and in okra, like the greenness of it, the texture and everything. Just close your eyes and get a contract with Happy Gardens. I've been a happy customer for almost 8 years now, and I have no regrets.